All right, welcome back, E-Teen Lab entrepreneurs. JP here, and today I'm going to show you how you can use a program called Google Analytics to analyze the data on your website, right? You want to see if people are visiting your website, right? So that is the purpose of Google Analytics. It can tell you a lot of things, but we're going to get you set up so you can actually see people visiting your website, and you can even see who's on your website in real time. So like right now, if someone was on your website, you would be able to see that, that dot on a map of where this person is in the world visiting your website. That's pretty cool, right? So let's just jump right into it. So it just right in Google, on the Google search bar, you're going to just type in Google Analytics. And on the top search, the top result is Google Analytics. Let's click on that. And if you're not logged into your new business Gmail account, you need to go ahead and do that now. So you are just log out of any other Gmail account that is not your business account. Do that. And then up here, let's make sure that you're all logged in. Good, I'm all logged in, and I'm going to start measuring. So welcome to Google Analytics. This, as you can read, Google Analytics gives you the free tools you need to analyze data for your business in one place so you can make smarter decisions. Let's go ahead and get this going. All right, your account name. Now I created a fictitious website, right, called My Yorkie Obsession. So that is the one I'm going to use on this, okay? On this example, I'll use that fictitious website. So account name, I'm going to call it Yorkie site. And then let's see here, Google products and services. So all these are whatever's recommended, just go with it, okay? So let's just go next. Now we're doing, so we have the account set up. Now property set up. The property name. So this is going to be my website. So I got to go over to my Wix fictitious website, my Yorkie Obsession website, and I have to get the web address, right? I'm going to grab my domain name. So let's do that. I was just on my dashboard. So here we are. Okay, so here, I don't want to connect my domain. So my site is right, I didn't register an actual domain, my own business domain for this, so I'm going to use Wix's long address. So it's www.wix.com/myyorkie obsession. Good. And we will go ahead and click next. About your business. I'm a very small business. I have 1 to 10 employees. So let me just go over here. What type of, okay, pets and animals, right? My category, pets and animals, small business. Remember, this is not how you're setting yours up. You would not choose pets and animals if you are starting like a makeup review blog. Obviously you wouldn't use pets and animals. So small. And then how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? Well, measure customer engagement. Yes, I want to measure engagement. Optimize my site. Yes. Measure data across multiple platforms or devices. Yes. Optimize my no, I'm not doing any advertising on my site. Increase my conversions. Conversions means purchases or sales. So that would be good. Measure content monetization. Yes, I'm going to be monetizing my content. Analyze my online sales. Yes. Measure app. Nope, it's not an app. This is not an app, so I'm not going to check that box. Measure lead. Yes, I'm going to measure lead generation because I do have a submit form that visitors can use to submit their data. And let's create. All right, good. We're here. Google Analytics terms of services. Let's go ahead and browse through all of this. All right, it's about 80 pages of an agreement. So, okay, I accept. Same with this one. Let's go to the bottom. And I accept. and I accept. All right, so this part, it's my email communications. It says we occasionally send emails to update you on what's new. I'm going to go ahead and just save this. Okay, good. Now we're here. We are in the user database in Google Analytics. Congratulations, you now have a Google Analytics account and can start monitoring the activity on your website, which is awesome, right? You want to see if there's life on your website. That's the purpose of this. All right. We're going to go over to, we're going to set up a stream. Okay, we're going to set up a data stream to start collecting data. A platform. Nope, this is not an iOS app. This is not an Android app. This is a website or a web app. Let's go to web. Okay, so I am going to enter my website here as well. So my Yorkie obsession. My Yorkie obsession. Good, we're good. My stream. It says it's not valid. All right, it's saying that this is not a valid website, and that is correct. It is not valid. You know why? Because look at this. I copied, I should say, and pasted the full address with the HTTPS. So because it already exists right here on the left side, I'm gonna delete that and just keep starting the address from the www. So let's do that. Now my website name, I'm gonna call it my Yorkie Obsession, right? Because that's what it is. Create stream. Cool, we're good. We did it. We are all set here. We have our website in here, the stream name, ongoing, okay, measurement ID. Let's check out it, click out of this. Okay, so let's click out of this, X out of that, and we're good. So it says no data received, right? This is brand new. And let's go back, let's go home. All right, we're heading right back home on the dashboard. And here you go. So, and if you'd like to just explore Google Analytics, there are a lot of things that Google Analytics can do, but this is the very basic. You just want to see if you're getting traffic to your site, and it's pretty encouraging when you start seeing activity or life on your website. It is pretty exciting. So congratulations on opening up a Google Analytics account. And next, I'm going to show you how to submit your website to Google. Right now, Google may not be indexing, or they're not finding your website because it's so new. So we're going to give that a quick, swift kickstart by submitting the website to Google and saying, hey, my website is here. I have content on my website. Come check out my website. And we're going to do that by submitting the website to the Google Webmasters and what they now call the Search Console. All right, awesome. I will see you on the next one. Bye. Hey, what is going on? Welcome back, my teen entrepreneurs. And I have a question for you. Does this dog right here, can this dog get any cuter? I'm sorry, but I'm saying she looks just like my Lola. This is not my dog, but still, my goodness, so cute. All right, today, I'm going to teach you how to submit your website to the Google Search Console, also called Google Webmasters. Why is this important? Your website, your blog is brand new. Google probably hasn't found your website yet, and that's a problem. It could take weeks or months before Google even recognizes that you built a website. So what we're going to do is we are going to submit your website and your domain to Google and tell Google to go look at our website. We're saying, hey, we have some really cool content on our website, Google. You need to come look at it. And they'll do something called, they'll index it. All right. So they will crawl your website, but you need to tell it to do that. And that is the importance. That's why it's so important to submit your website to the Google Search Console. And that is right here. Let me back up a little bit. Okay, so real easy. Just type in Search Console. The first result will be Google Search Console Tools. Click on that. Now, improve your performance on Google search. That's what we want to do. That's our objective. Search console tools and reports help you measure your site's search traffic and performance. It fixes issues and it makes your site shine in the Google search results. That is our objective. You want your website to shine on Google. Cool? Let's start now. Okay, don't let this intimidate you. Welcome to Google Search Console. Now we have to select a property type, and that is just your domain. So you're going to enter your domain name here. Now, we are using I am using a free Wix website right now. So I am going to select URL prefix, and I'm going to enter it here. So in my previous lessons, I had not published my Yorkie Obsession website, and I was using a domain name, which was www.wix.com/myyorkieobsession. But that was leading me back to my dashboard, my editing dashboard. Once I published my Yorkie Obsession, that website, Wix gave me a completely different domain name, and that is the one I'm going to use. And let me show you. This is Wix recommended domain name. It's long, it's ugly, it's no good. That's why, it'll work for you, but it's long. And if you're trying to tell people how to visit your website, can you imagine trying to explain this to them as opposed to, yes, go visit myyorkieobsession.com. All right, but I have not registered that domain, so I'm using this one. And that's fine. If you're using the free one, that's absolutely fine. It's still a valid and working website, so no worries. So I'm going to enter that here. All right, it looks very different from the other one. HTTPS // my name. Let's continue. It's checking verification, but we haven't sent anything or we haven't uploaded anything on our site for Google to search. So we need Google to throw a rod out, like a fishing rod, like a lure, and catch something on our site. Can you get that imagery? So we have to plant something or upload something onto our website. All right, so Google is going to give us the file so they can verify ownership. They want to verify that I own that site. So let's just go ahead and do that by choosing one of their methods. The method I use, and it doesn't mean it's the only one, or the best one. It's the best one for me. I use HTML tag verification, which is they give me a bit of code, which all I need to do is copy this. Done. Copy to clipboard. And I'm going to paste this on my website in the appropriate section. Now, where do you think I should paste this? Right? It should go somewhere in the search engine optimization tool area on the Wix website. So the SEO tools, I'm going to go back to Wix, to my dashboard. Here's my dashboard, and I'm going to find SEO tools. All right. And I was just there, but I want to show you how to get to it. I was, in fact, just on it. So, okay, here's my dashboard. Right, here we are on the left side. Scroll down, customer management, marketing, SEO. Awesome. Here we go. SEO tools. You see it right there. You see it. Click on it. All right. This is a very helpful section that Wix offers on their SEO tools. Is very effective. We're not going to get into get found on Google yet. You definitely want to do that. You want to get found on Google, and they're going to give you suggestions on how to fill things out so you can get found on Google quicker. So, site verification, that's what we're going to work on right now. And if you look at this page, Google Search Console, Pinterest, wow, so they already have these laid out for you. But all we're going to do is click on Google Search Console. And as you see, I've already done this, but I'm going to do it again. Google Search Console. I'm going to just paste, right? I'm just pasting the data. I don't have to type any code, nothing fancy. It's just a copy and paste and click save. Tag is added. See here, tag added. We're in good shape, but now we have to go publish our site, okay? So let's go back to the main. Let's go back to the website. Oh, that's not it. Let's go back here. I'm going to go to my sites, and I need to go back into the editing console and publish this site. So select and edit. My tag has been installed. Now I need to publish this. Edit site. Let it load, let it load. It's taking me to the ADI. Do you remember what ADI stands for? Anyone? Bueller? Anyone? ADI stands for Artificial Design Intelligence. All right, here we are. And as you can see, oh, it's trying to get me to buy my YorkieObsession.com because it's available. And hey, I'm probably not going to be moving forward with this because I have other websites I'm working on. If you want to take this, I think that's an amazing name for a website. but I'm not going to buy it, so you're welcome. First come, first serve if you're obsessed with Yorkies. Yeah, you see my website here, my new website. All right. So let's go down. Nope, we're going to publish this. Go, publish. Publish, publish. So we're here. Main page. Now I got to go back. Got to go back to the search console. And see, we're back here again on the search console. HTML tag. Verify. Right? I did not press this before, but I'm pressing it now. Checking, checking, checking. And there it is. We are good to go. Ownership has been verified. Congratulations. Now let's go to property. So it's gonna go to the Google search, the dashboard. Welcome to the new Google Search Console, right? Google has changed its Search Console recently. Okay, we're gonna start, and you can read through all this, okay? Whatever, they're gonna suggest things and give you information. It would be a good idea to read through all that, okay? Sweet. Okay, now it's processing data. Please check again in a day or so. So we've just verified our site with Google. We're not done yet, all right? We are not quite done. We need to submit, and most people forget this or they just don't know about this. But we need to submit our site map to Google. And here it is, site map. So the site map is the layout of your website, of your pages, of your blogs, of your posts, of your contact page, the About Us page. So that's what the site map is. So we need to submit our site map, and it's easier than you think. So it already has our website here. All we have to type in sitemap.xml. This is universal. That is what the sitemap is. Okay, sitemap. And then we're going to submit this to Google. So that worked. And as you can see, so I submitted two, but this one, you can disregard that one. I submitted a sitemap, and all I did was type sitemap.xml in this enter sitemap URL right here. And look at this, success. Google has now found my website and all the content on it. And Google they're going to crawl it with their Google bots and look for new content that you're going to be posting on there. So congratulations, you have now submitted this to Google, and we look forward to your success.